this is Ashley from Crafting with Ashley, and welcome to this video. This is the quick and simple card we're making today. So let me show you how I did it. So supplies you're going to need. You've got your thick Whisper White card base, and then I've got a piece here of lovely lipstick, and this is the Designer Series paper stack from the In Colours from 2018 to 20, and this measures 10 centimeters by 14.35 centimeters. And then from the same pack I've got two sheets here of the Blueberry Bushel Designer Series paper. Well, you maybe just need one, you only need one, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to cut out the image out of the scrap, so I brought up a second piece in case. And then you're also going to just need a scrap of Whisper White. Okay, so let's get started. The stamp set you're going to use is this one called So Sentimental, and it's a new one, and I'll be using the sentiment here, and we're going to be using the lovely lipstick ink. Okay, so let's ink up our stamps nice and inked up, and I'm going to try and get the centre here of my scrap so I have enough space to cut it out. Okay, so put that aside, close up our ink pad before we have an accident. I always do it, and we're going to use this die to cut it out. Lovely. And this comes from the Stitch So Sweetly dies, and this comes actually as a bundle. You can buy these dies with the sentiment as a bundle, and you get all these beautiful frames as well that I've just messed up. But anyway, I'm going to use this largest frame here to cut out from my piece of Blueberry Bushel. And you know what, I think I'm very careful, I'm going to get both pieces out in one piece. So always good as a crafter to try and save as much scraps as you can. So let me put that through the big shot and I'll be back. So everything's cut out now, as you can see, and I did manage to get that piece out of that first piece of Blueberry Bushel, so I saved my other piece. So now we're going to start assembling. So let me bring back my lovely lipstick, and I'm just going to use some snail to stick this down to our card base. And I really love this gingham pattern, it's one of my favourites, so it's the one I use all the time. There's two patterns in this paper I like a lot, the gingham and the script, and those are the ones I use. I don't tend to use the other designs very often. So stick that down like that, and then I'm going to stick this down, so I'm going to put some snail on the back of here. But before I stick anything down, I'm going to bring in some ribbon, and this is the lovely lipstick cross grain ribbon, and I'm just going to cut two pieces to stretch across. So that's 1, 2, and because you've got the lines here of the gingham check, this makes it actually quite easy to do, because you just follow the line, so you know you've got it fairly straight. Sorry, I wasn't in shot. So you're just going to follow that line like that, and then twist it over and stick it down. Okay, like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. This one doesn't want to stick for some reason. Let's cut off the excess. Where did I do my scissors? Here it is. It's going to stick now, hasn't got a choice. Okay, so there we go. So let's do the same as I said start it off on the one side and then go across and stick it down so it doesn't have any choice. And then before it decides to do anything else, I'm going to stick it into my onto my lovely lipstick piece, I should say. So there we go. That's what we've got so far. So now our thingamajig, our sentiment, I'm just going to use the backs of these dimensionals, finish them off to pop it up. And there we've got some there, some last little bit there, there. That's the end of that pack of dimensionals. Always makes me feel happy when I actually use up a full pack, a full sheet of them. I don't waste anything. It's great. And I just want to stick one more there because I want it to have even dimension. I don't want it to sag in the middle or anywhere. So get rid of all these, take all these backings off, and at least having the edges, there's less backings to take off because you have a longer strip. I wouldn't mind actually if Stampin' Up! Made our dimensionals, which I love. Don't get me wrong, I love them. I love having them in the normal size and the mini size, but you know what, I would also love them as a tape. It would just be so useful. And I haven't got that straight at all. That's better. There you go. Okay, so let me get rid of these backings before they migrate somewhere. I always try and clean up as I go. It just makes life so much easier. I don't have this huge clean up afterward. Now I'm going to be using these, and these are the Happiness Blooms enamel dots. I'm going to be using the Blueberry Bushel one here, and I'm going to use the small one, I think. If he wants to come, there he is. And I'm just going to put it on the dot of the eye there. Okay, and we're done. So those are the two cards. One I made before, one I just made now. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information supply list about this project, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the link to my website and all my social media links will be in the description box below, including my Facebook group. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!